Thank you, Mommy.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Was he a mess?
Yes.
Okay. Can he have his bottle back now?
Yes, sure.
Okay.
Sure.
Just check and make sure. Okay. I think he's good, bud.
Huh?
I think he's okay. He's clean. Okay. Can you give him his bottle back? Oh, no, don't give him the paper. Throw the paper away. Yeah, get the paper back. Okay, give him his bottle back. Yeah.
Mommy, I want to try.
Wait, come here. Here, hold on. But because you got some. Come here. Look at mommy. You got some applesauce on you yourself.
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome. Okay, you gonna give him his bottle now?
Yes, sure.
All right. Thanks, buddy. You got it. All right. Thanks, baby. Yeah. Okay. You're a big helper, Rodney.
Yes.
Yeah, you're a great big brother. Need to shake it up.